Hello there guys, I'm again with another video review. As you can see, I just got a sample product from a company that's called DR.BEI. This is a Flosser. The model is GF3. So this is the actual product. The company sent me this actual testing sample to see how this will work, if it works good for me, and I will get you my honest opinion on this one. So let's step into the actual box. As you can see over here on the front we have the model, on the side we have some other info on the DR.BEI package, and over here on the back we can see some Chinese and some English. So it's portable and perfect for traveling. It has a 360 rotating degree nozzle. It has a proven safe nozzle for excellent oral health care. We have one button for 3 modes, clean and health care for teeth. 2-in-1 combining anti-dust nozzle, high pressure pulse water jet, IPX7, so it's waterproof, and we have 180 ml large capacity water tank. It uses a dual protection to eliminate safety hazards, and we have a built-in USB fast charging that can handle up to 30 days of battery life with a single charge. So this is the actual box, and let's open it. First, we have the actual product. Let's take it inside. Okay, so here we have some accessories. First, here we have a micro USB cable. Next we have a pretty big manual, both in English and Chinese. We have a travel case, and this is the actual flosser tip, which again this is safe for the teeth and the mouth. So as you can see here we have the actual product. Over here on the back we have the micro USB connection, and it's pretty unique design. Just open it like that. This is the actual tank, 180 milligrams. As you can see, we have a single power and changing mode button by pressing once, twice, and you can actually see also the battery indicator. On the top we have a little sealing cap over here, and you can storage the tip. Again, if you want to press inside the tip, the nozzle tip, just push it like that. You will hear a little click noise. If you want to remove, press this little button on the back, just like that, and you can straightly remove it. Okay, so we will now fill it up from the top. Over here you can see the actual top. where we can fill some water and see how it works. So let's see. Okay, so this part will be a little gross, so if you are a little sensitive on this, you will see I just ate some Oreo. You see my teeth are not the cleanest, but we will use the DR.BEI and see how it works. Yeah, a lot cleaner. So yeah, this thing really works. Also the top cap, I just realized, let me show you. So over here, if there's a little left water inside this tank, the top hole over here, you see it, little hole over here is when you want to store it and there's water inside the tank, it just presses all the water outside, so you can see. Of course you can remove it like that, and store it inside and you are ready to go. So yeah,